What's up guys, Maverick from Nighthawk Airsoft, and today I'm bringing you guys a gameplay I recorded over at High Ground Airsoft in Spring, Texas. Now before y'all begin to say, why'd you quit uploading? It's because we kind of got bored of the sport, but now we're back into it, we're having fun, we found an awesome field. So if you guys do like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gameplay videos. Thank you guys, have a nice day.
Alright, so red team is going to be attacking. Green team is going to be defending. Green team, you're spawn at A. Red team, you're spawn at B. Red team, you guys have to rescue Randy. He's a dummy made out of fire hoses and cell block by C spawn. That's that corner of the map. I'll have to bring Randy from the cell block to D spawn. That's the other corner of the map, and you'll have to hold him there till the end of the game. Defenders, you cannot move Randy except to move him back towards the direction he came from. Do not bring him towards A and the B spawn, or I'm just going to reset him. Okay?
Now to the gameplay. So in the position I am at right now was a very, very sticky situation. Because right around this corner, as you'll see later on in the video, is that right there was the enemy spawn right around the corner. So I was kind of pinned and I didn't really want to move forward because I was going to get shot anyways. So yeah. Bang!
Oh, gosh. Thanks for not shooting.
Yeah. Bang!
Double kill!
I knew you were gonna do it.
Hold on. No. Oh.
Where's Randy?
So follow me. We're going all the way around.
There's a guy by the dark ones.
Alright. You got a pistol? Alright, go through White House. I'll be right behind your back. Go. I got your back. Okay, I'm on your 6. Go.
On your 6?
Go. Go. Go now.
Go.
I'll just take it because I knew you should have shot me with it. You're not even shooting. I'll just take it even though you should have shot me. So that's gonna wrap this video up, guys. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you do want more gameplays, make sure to click that subscribe button. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.